Hello, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. So, running promos for everyone is expensive. Let's make your discount invite only with smart eligibility rules in Shopify. Before going to the video, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe the channel for more Shopify tips. So for this, I have used Next Discount app which is downloaded from the Shopify app store. I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. Just check it out. After installing it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on Advanced Coupons and go for the product discount option and click on Create Product Discount. Now we have to give some title here. I am giving Sale 10 as my title and I am opting the code as my discount method and I am giving the same Sale 10 as my code. So my title and code are same. I can combine the code with the existing discount codes like product discount, order discount, or a shipping discount. And I can limit the number of times this discount can be used in total. If I am giving a 100 value here means this code can be applied only for the first 100 users. And I can also limit the usage for the customer for only one time. Now comes the rule section. So here we are setting up some rules to this conditions to get applied. So by clicking on add new conditions, we can have multiple conditions to be attached with this. So I'm adding my first condition as total amount is greater than 1000. So my first condition is this code will be applied only when the total cart value is greater than 1000. And I'm adding a new condition as customer does not have a tag called VIP. So, which means that the customers which are having a VIP tag will not be eligible for the offer to avail. Now, I'm adding the action here, apply discount, and I'm planning to give this discount for all the products. So, I'm choosing the first as my option. And I am giving a percentage value of 10 and a maximum discount amount as 100. Now I have done with all the settings. Now I am going to save the changes. So I am checking whether my discount code has got activated from the discount section. Now you can see that sale 10 has got activated. Now I am checking with the VIP customer from the customer section. So this customer is a VIP customer having a tag called VIP. Now we can check the setup in our online store. So I'm trying to buy a product offered 599. Now I'm adding sale 10 as my discount code. Now you can see that the code is not got applied. Even though this customer is not a VIP one, the sale 10 has not get applied because we have set up the total cart value should be greater than 1000. So I'm checking with some other products now. So I'm trying to buy this product of worth 2000. Now I'm applying sale 10 code here. Now you can see that the sale 10 is got applied successfully. Now I am adding my VIP customer tag details here. Now you can see that the code is got removed because we have the setup. This code will not be available for the customers having a tag called VIP. So now I'm removing the VIP customer details from here and I'm again applying the code. So it got applied. You can see that the MRP is 2000 and our discount percentage was 10%. So the 10% of 2000 is 200. Since we have maximum discount condition as 100, this code ensures that the discount amount will never go beyond 100. And that's how you limit discount eligibility with advanced rules in Shopify. And if you are interested in doing like more advanced option beyond what I have explained here, you can always reach out to the support team from the app. They will help customize the app for your store's need. If you are finding this useful, make sure that you have subscribed to our channel and go for the app link in the description. Thanks for watching.